and my little scrappiteers. We're out here early morning. Hope everybody's feeling good. Hope everybody's okay. I'm good. Let's get the show on the road. Let's go. I don't know what we got here, but let's pick it up. Let's grab it. Ah, we got something on here. And we already had something in the truck. So, some stuff that was given to us. Nice scrap. I'm gonna need that little bucket later. Let's not let it get away from us. Ah, it's okay. Leave it in there. Get the wheelbarrow in here with a broken arm. There we go. It's all in there. All right, let's continue. Well, you can see it's raining. We got an exercise machine here. Let's see how heavy it is, if we can take it ourselves. All right, let's move that over there. Let's get this out of the way. And get that out of the way. Let's see this machine here. Well, the first thing we gotta do is take this pole. That's what we're going to take, because we need one. Alright, let's see. No wheels. Just by moving these machines, you get an exercise before you even get on it. Oh my God. Oh, wait a minute, it does have wheels. Oops. I'm sorry. Let's see which way can we mount this. I don't know which way, but we gotta make it work. It's starting to rain harder, so let's just put it in there like this. How's that? There we go. And somebody cut the cord. All right, let's continue. Let's grab some more stuff. The more the merrier. Let's get it in here. Let's put this over here on this side. Can't leave that in there. We gotta get it out because we're gonna forget and we're gonna break it. So let's leave it out here. All right, this one You know what? We can't be picking and choosing right now. We just have to put it in here. Rain's not gonna let up. Go. And there we go. And a couple of pieces of copper. All right. Right in there. Let's grab that copper. There we go. And the Swiffer. We can't forget the Swiffer, okay? Swiffers have always been my lucky charm. So Swiffer it is. All right. Two big nice chunks of copper. Let's go. Got a bike here. Let's see if this is any good. No, this is no good. All right, let's put it in here. That's fine right there for right now. Let's roll. What else here on the side of the road? Blower, handheld blower, backpack blower. All right, let's continue. Metal chair and metal and metal and metal. Oh my goodness, metal. I think there's a washer up there. This is gonna give me hell. I'm gonna have to fix this in a minute. We'll see. Does this come off? No, no, it don't come off. All right. No problem. We'll put this in the center there. There we go. And the chair too. We don't want that. All right, let's go see. Maybe that's a washer. We'll tie it behind the truck. No matter, we'll take it. Looks like they took it apart. Let's see. Is it apart? It is apart. It is apart. Let's put this over here. just give me a few minutes. Let me fix this. It's falling apart. Come on. All right, give me a minute. Messing around with the cords right now, so let's get this in the truck. We'll mess with it later. We can't mess with it right now. All right, let's get this thing in there. There's the wheels. There's the wheels. Oh my goodness. Shoot. Come on. All right. We got it in there. We'll put the bike right in there. Yeah. Let's tie this down. Let's tie this down because it's coming hard. It's gonna spoil our day. That's all right. No biggie. No, that's gonna move. We gotta do it under. Let's put it up some. Right up here. There we go. All right. Oh, excuse me. Oops. Come on. Oh my goodness. Come. Are you trying to rush? All right. There we go. There we go. It's not going anywhere. Put the bike in here. Well, let's see. Let's see what we end up doing. All right. Let's go. All right, we made it here. No rain so far. It's holding up, so let's clean the truck. They just called us. We have a refrigerator that I gotta pick up, and the man is there. He's gonna help me with it. So as soon as we dump this, we are on the road. Still early. It's not too swampy over here. All right, it's not too bad. Let's see what we got here. Looks like 40, 41, 40, 80, something like that. All right. Today, let's unload. What's going on, buddy?
Good. How are you doing?
Everything is good.
Good.
At least no more rain.
No.
I hear you. It's quiet today.
Hey,
That machine's not running.
that's the only thing quiet about it.
All right. There. Woo.
I'll get down.
Let me get out of the way.
Lay down on its side and I can pick it up.
No problem. Yeah. All right. Let's let them get that. Let's get up in here. All right. Ouch. That will leave right there. Okay. This is next. All right, next. Oh, man. Ah. Oh. All right. I didn't break it, but I hit my head. Ouch. Gotta be careful with that. Oh man, that hurts. Jesus. Oh. Ooh, my head bouncing. All right. Ooh. Ouch, ouch, ouch. That's tight. There we go. That stays. All right. All right, boss man. Let me just give it a quick sweep here. All right. Back. 3,500. So I get 600 pounds, maybe 580. I don't know. All right. Well, we'll see. Whoa. All right. Thank you. Wow. Look at that. Unbelievable. All right, let's go. All right, so we came in at 41, left at 35. Yeah, 600 pounds. That's 7 cents. 42 bucks. 42. All right.